Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where no Wi-Fi networks are found but Wi-Fi is turned on, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can scroll down to troubleshoot and then click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Okay, right now I'm connected, otherwise it would have started troubleshooting. The next one is a network reset. And why am I suggesting that? Because if you check through other websites and channels, you will notice countless commands for this. But using the network reset method, it will reset the network in one go. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select advanced network settings. Select network reset and then click on reset now and then click on yes. This will reset the network. Now, if this doesn't help either, then please restart your router and check for router level troubleshooting. That will be necessary, because if you have reset the network and it is also showing the Wi-Fi symbol here, means that the Wi-Fi is existing. The Wi-Fi adapter is not disabled yet on the computer. Then there is nothing else that we can do about it. It simply means that there is an issue with the router itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.